Alright, we're gonna play Majora's Mask. My save state. If I can get the camera right. Alright. Should be good. I trust in the positioning of that. It's right on the Book of Mormon. Okay. So I got 2 masks. I'm on the 3rd day challenge. 6-day challenge. That's what they call it. I'm trying to beat it in 6 days, so she wants me to go to the ocean. Quickest way to the ocean is through the west gate. I'm not going through that way. Sorry, fairy. You freaking fairy. Where are you, fairy? I thought when you press A, you can make the fairy come out. Isn't that right? I don't want to prove that theory. Because every time I press A, I can make the fairy go away. And come out. Go away. Oh, did you know that? Oh, you didn't know that, noob? No, you didn't know that, did you, noob? Yeah, I did, Spencer. Yes, I did. I love walking the line like I'm not gonna touch the lava. Oh! I just touched the lava. I'm dead. I don't know where I'm going. Okay. Now that I have figured out what I'm doing, I have to go get my horsey. That's what I gotta do.
My horsey! Its name is Radish. And it's very, very harsh on my nose.
Okay. Withdraw, biatch! Excuse me, but let me take a look at you. No, you! Do not look at me! Ah, yes. Spencer, if I remember. You're the little guy who deposited 8,400,764 through to negative. Huh? 847, sorry. So? What do you mean so? I'm gonna take out this much. Withdrawing? Yep. Use it wisely. Oh, I'll use it wisely, biatch. Alright, little guy, I now got a total of 797 from you. Oh, really? Come back and deposit some after you save up a bunch. Woohoo! I will. Woohoo! Oh, yeah. I'm gonna go get some bomb shells. Yeah, buddy. Oh! I'm gonna wake everybody up with the horns. Oh, yeah. Okay, gotta do the funky chicken now. Okay, come on.
Oh, of all places, you're gone, so you should be able to carry a powder keg, right? So won't you buy a powder keg for 50 rupees? I'll buy one, yes. You got a powder?
You got a powder keg. Press C to light it, then tap C to place it. Be careful, it's sheer powder. And size are immense.
Powder kegs made by my instructor are extremely powerful. Come back and see me if you run out. Okay, southern accent. Alright. Woohoo! I'm gonna go get my horsey now. I'm gonna go get my horsey now. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. I'm gonna go get my horsey now. Wow. I'm gonna go and get my horsey now. Well, I got spikes on my eyebrows. Wow. Why do you got that? I don't even know. Wow. I don't even want to go out. I think I went the wrong way. And I think I need to go here. And I don't need to go there. I just need to go here. And then I'm going to blow up. And then I'm going to show up. And then I'm going to shut up. And then I'm going to blow up. What this guy gonna do? I'm going to run right into you. Don't you even dare chopping me in half. I'm gonna punch you until I don't give a damn. Oh yeah, buddy. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay.
Ooh, buddy. Yeah, work it.
He's like, get off me, dude. Okay, anyway. This is what I'm gonna do. Bruh. 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 Okay. Okay, bruh. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set this down here and then just walk away now. Okay. Ow. Wow, that rock hit me in the head, bruh. Hey, yo. What do you think?
Hey, as long as it's open to traffic, it's fine!
Okay, yeah! I'm so happy! Yeah, look at the moon. He's like, yeah! Oh, it's Malin! The rip-off Malin! Took my horse, you stupid whore! Whoa! What is it? Look!
Lucky!
Isn't that your horse? No, it's not my horse. Is it? Oh, what is it? Oh, it is! Oh, Epona! Epona! Boo boo! Boom! Yeah, I found my horse. Yeah, I found my horse. Woohoo! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Do the funky chicken now! Do the funky chicken! Woo! Oh man, do the woo woo woo! Yeah, yeah! Woo! Yeah! Do the funky chicken now! Yeah, yeah! Do the funky chicken now! Yeah, yeah! Do the funky chicken now! Woo woo! Do the funky chicken! Woo woo! I don't know what that was. I really don't know what that was, man, but I'm gonna go and talk to this freaking Malin girl here. Hey, who are you?
Oh, this is my first time meeting a foreigner. You're cute.
Oh, really? I'm cute now, huh? Okay, well, I'm gonna turn into a little boy now. Cause I was. Hey!
Who are you? I'm Romany. I was given the same name as the ranch. What's your name?
I'm Grasshopper. Oh, wait, I'm Spencer.
Spencer? That's a nice name, but...
You like mint cookies? How about...
Grasshopper.
That's the name Romney gives you. I like mint cookies. So give me grasshopper cookies. Don't know why I said that, but I love mint cookies. Link loves it. Why do you think he loves green?
See, you're wearing green clothes and you patter about when you walk, so Grasshopper it is.
I want thin mints, biatch.
Romney was practicing for tonight. Tonight.
Well, I want those Girl Scout cookies. Are they coming?
They are coming.
Oh, good. All right. I'm doing the 6-day challenge. Woo! I'm gonna get the horsey. That's what I'm gonna foresee. Yeah, I'm full of the full foresee. Yeah. Oh! I ran into the wall. Why would you do that? Okay. Now where was I gonna go? I was gonna go get my horsey. Without the radishes. Okay. Radical, dude. I'm not going the right way, am I? Ooh, 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 ooh. I ran out of gas. Oh. Hello, stupid bird. Hey, come here. Stupid beer. Bird. Hey, come here. Oh, you took my bottle! You freaking a-hole, man! Full throttle! Wow! I had to wait till 10 o'clock to even get it. Crapo, man. I wasn't even trying, dude. I'm really just being an idiot.
There are 10 ghost-shaped balloons in the ranch, so hurry and burst them all. If you take over 2 minutes, you're out. The current record is 1 minute. Are you ready?
Definitely ready. Okay, not ready. I lied. It's like... Oh man. I'm not used to these controls. Hold up. Bang. Me 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 me. Wee 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 wee. That was not good harmony, I'll tell you that. I'm going the hard way. Doing it the hard way. Oh, ah. Ah! Come on! Yeah. Okay, that's it. Right? No, I'm missing one. I'm using the Wii, man. Wii U is different, man. Wii U is different. But hey, I got it done. I'm better aiming at N64. I'm on the Wii U right now. Come on, man. You gotta give me a break, man. I didn't beat your record. It was 114. I know you're singing, but I'm not listening. Yes, I did it. With the control stick. That is the hardest thing ever, man, to get down. And the most annoying thing ever to get used to. But, hey, it is possible to get through. Anyhow.
This is my time to get through to the next round of aliens.
Yeah, you better go hide. Those aliens be out there. See them aliens. See them aliens at 3 a.m. Why is it 3 a.m.? Just notice that. Why is it 3 a.m.? What happens at 3 a.m.? The 3 a.m. challenge. Screw you, demons! I don't know how close that was. I don't know what is. If that wasn't close, I don't know what is. No! How much longer? Woo! Ah. I can breathe. Woo! Link, breathe! Breathe, Link! Malin! Rip off Malin! How you doing? Where's my Thin Mints? You owe me, you stupid bee. Ow! Okay, I won't call you that.
We did it. We won.
Yes, we did.
Thank you. Thanks to you, the cows are giving thanks too. It's almost time for my sister to get up, so I have to get back to bed. See you later, little hero.
Okay. I'm not little anymore! Ah! Okay. I'm about 7 years old. I'm not little. Come on. He's about 7 years old, right? So Link is. I'm not a little man. I'm a grown man. I have a sword. Come on, man. Get the joke. All right. Now let's go to town hall and get some milk. Get some of that special milk. You already know. I gotta go down there. It's gonna be good. Hey, how about you? You wanna go to the bar? No.